Good afternoon, children. Today we will start exercise 10.5, question number 5. Find the value of number 1, 3.0468 plus 4.2651 plus 9.6024. Now we have to correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so we have to do here also round off after finding the original value. So what we will do first, we will do the addition of these 3 units. 3.0468 plus 4.6251 plus 9.6024. Now we will do addition of this number. Okay, so 8 plus 9, 10, 13, 3, 1 carry, 6, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 0, 7. Here nothing will be there, here 7. 6 plus 0 will be 12, so 2, 1 carry. Decimal will come in a straight line. 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is the answer we got it? So answer we got 17.2743. Okay. Now what is written in the question that we have to correct to the 3 decimal places. So we have to see the 3 decimal places. See here. This is a whole number, 10th, 100th and 1000th. Okay. So here we have to see this number. This is on the 1000th place, 3 decimal places. Now we have to decide that we will keep 4 same as or we will go to the next number. So how you will do? So we will see this number. Now here 3 is there. Now 3 is there. It means 3 is smaller than 5. That is why now till here we will write the same number 17.27. Now here 4 will remain same or 5 it will become. So here as we saw that 3 is smaller than 5. That is why this 4 will remain same. So our answer is 17.274. Okay. We have done round off to the 3 decimal places. Now number 2. 7.8465 plus 0.073 minus 1.0263. Now correct to the 2 decimal places. So here addition also there and subtraction also there. So what we will do? We can't do together. So first we will do addition. 7.8465 plus 0.0073. We will do addition. 5 plus 3 8. 7 plus 6 13, 3 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 8.7. Now what we got? That we have got the answer 7.8538. Now we have to do subtraction. 1.0263. Okay. So here we will do the subtraction. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. Now 3 minus 6 not possible. So here 13. Here 4. Now 13 minus 6 is 7. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 0, 8. Decimal will remain same. 7 minus 1, 6. So what answer we got? 6.8275. Okay. Now first what we will do? We will write this number over here, 6.8275. Now we will read the question. Correct to 2 decimal places. How many decimal places? 2. 2 means 100th. So this is a whole number, 10th and 100th, here 2. Now till here this number will remain same, 6.8. Now this 2 will change into 3 or it will remain same. How we will decide? With the help of 7. So now 7 is greater than 5. That is why this 2 will change into 3. So our answer will be 6.83. Okay. Now number C. 5.798 multiply by 0.8. Now what we will do here? Correct to the 3 decimal places. How many decimal places? 3. Okay, so what we will do here? We will start our answer. We have to do first multiplication. 5.798 multiply by 0.8 Okay, now here first we will forget the decimal. We will start only multiplication. Now 0 8s are what this with the help of 0 we will do. Here we will get 0 0 only. So here we can do directly with the help of 8 also. Okay, so 8 8s are 64. 4 is here, 6 carry. Okay, then 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 6. So it will be 78. So 8 is here. Okay, here 7 carry. Now 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 7. So 56 plus 4 60. 63. So 3 and 6 carry. Okay. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 6 46. Now here we will write how many deci there after this decimal. How many digits there? So 3 deci there. Here how many deci? 1 deci. So total will be how much? 3 plus 1, 4 deci. It means after the decimal 4 digits should be there. So we will start from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here. So what we got the answer? 4.6384. Okay, this is our simple multiplication. But now here it is told that correct to the 3 decimal places. So what we will do? We will start counting. This is a whole number. 10th, 100th and 1000th. Here we have to round off. Okay, so here we will see this next number. Now 4 is smaller than 5. That is why this 8 will remain same. So one answer will come 4.638. Now we will go to the question number 6. Question number 6 is find 869.27 multiply by 0.5 and we have to correct it with A and B. Now what is A? A is told to do to the nearest whole number. Okay, and B is told to do to the nearest tenths. Okay, now what we will do? First of all, we will do the multiplication. So here we will start answer 869.27 multiply by 0.5. Now we will do simple multiplication first of all. Now 0.5 that means only with 5 we can do multiplication. Yes, 5 7s are 35. So 5 3 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 13, 3 1 carry, 5 9s are 45 plus 1 6 46. So 6 4 carry, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 34, 3 carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 3 43. Now here we will count the deci 1 2. So 2 deci. Here 1 decimal. So 2 plus 1 total is 3 deci. Now we have to go to the left hand side. 1, 2 and 3. So here. So what answer will come? 434.635. Now what we will do? We will go to the A1. Here A we will write answer of A. To the nearest whole number. Now what is the whole number? This. 434. This is the whole number. Now what we will do? We have to round off this. So that is why I have underlined. Now we will see this and we will take the decision that we will write next number or we will write the same number. Now here 6 is there. So 6 is greater than 5. That is why this will change into the next number 435. We have done to the nearest whole number. Okay, now we will solve B. What is that? To the nearest tenth. Tenth means this. Okay, we have to see this one. So what we will do? First we will write the same number 434 point. Now this 6 we have to see. So here with this we have to round off this 6. So we will see this 3. Now 3 is less than 5. So that is why this 6 will remain same. So we get the answer 434.6. It is nearest tenths. Okay. Now we will solve question number 7. A. Find 7 upon 4 to the nearest tenth. So, before going to this, we will solve this 7 upon 4. 8 means we will divide 7 and 4. Okay, so 4 will come outside because it is 7 divided by 4. So 4 will come outside, 7 will go inside. Now we will use the 4 table. So 4 2s are 8. It is a greater number. So we will take 4 1s are 4. So how much remaining? 3. Now what we will do? We will put one extra 0 over here. Now our division is started. Now you are keeping the extra 0. So you have to put decimal. Okay. Now we will take 4 7s are 28. Now we will do subtraction. So we will get 2. Now here if you are putting again 1 0, then you don't have to put here. Oh, already for 1 0 you have kept the decimal, so no need to put again decimal. Okay, so 4 5s are 20. So subtraction 0 0. So what is the answer? 1.75. Now it is told that we have to do to the nearest tenth. What we have to do? Nearest tenth. Now this is a whole number. Okay, so 1 will remain same. Now 7 we have to round off, but what we will do? 7 if you want to do round off, then so what we will do here, we have to round off, so we will say this. Now here 5 is equals to 5, that is why this 7 will change into 8. So what answer will come? 1.8. Now number B. Find 17 upon 8 to the nearest tenth. Now here we will start division first of all. 17 divided by 8 there, so 8 is inside, outside, 17 is inside. Okay, now here we will start the table of 8. Now 8 2s are 16, so minus we will do 1 is remaining. Now if we want to put one extra 0, then we have to put here decimal. Okay, now 8 1s are 8. So what is remaining? 2. Now again we are keeping zeros, but here again we will not put decimal. Okay, now 8 2s are 16. So what is remaining? 4. Now here we will put one more 0. Okay, so 8 5s are 40. So here we will do subtraction, we will get 0 0. Now what is the answer? So the answer is 2.125. Now we will read the question. We have to do to the nearest tenth. So if you want to do, then whole number will remain same. Now tenth is this. So we have to see the next number. Okay. Now this here 2 is there. So 2 is smaller than 5. That is why it will remain same. So what answer will come? 2.1. I hope so you have understood. Thank you.